Creating a new file in Windows can be done directly from PowerShell without opening File Explorer or another editor. In this guide, I'll show you how to create an empty file, create a file with text, choose a specific location, and verify the result. Let's get into it. First, open PowerShell from Start Search. Then type get location and press enter to see your current directory. Use get child item or dir to check the files and folders already there. This makes it clear where your new file will be created. The easiest method is new item. To create an empty text file, type new item name notes, txt item type file and press enter. PowerShell creates the file in your current directory. You can replace notes.txt with any file name and extension you need. You can also choose exactly where the file should be created by using the path parameter. For example, provide the destination folder path along with the file name. If the path contains spaces, put it inside quotation marks. This is useful when your current directory isn't the location you want. If you want to create a file and add text at the same time, you can use the setContent command. For example, setContent notes, txt, hello from PowerShell creates the file if it doesn't exist and writes the text into it. Yeah, this is handy for quick notes or simple configuration files. To add text without replacing the existing content, use add content. For example, add content notes, txt, this is another line, adds new text to the end of the file. This is useful when you're building a text file line by line or adding information to an existing log. After creating the file, run get child item to confirm it appears in the folder. You can also use get content notes, txt, to display the file's contents directly in PowerShell. This gives you a quick way to confirm both the file and its text. And that's how to create files with PowerShell. Use new item for new files, set content to write text, and add content when you want to append more. So start with a simple text file, and you'll quickly get comfortable creating files from the command line.